Okay, today we're going to be rounding decimals. You're going to be rounding. This is how I want you to set up your paper. Lesson 2-4, rounding, standard, guided practice, round to the nearest 10. So let's begin. We always look to the number to the right when we're rounding. We're rounding to the nearest 10. This is tens, this is ones. So if the number is 5 or more, we add one more. So what's going to happen to the 3 is going to turn into a 4. And what's happened to the 0? Changes. We're going to look again to the number to the right. 5 or more, add one more. 4 or less, stays the same. So this is less than 4. What will happen to the 6? It's going to stay the same. Again, 85. Look to the number to the right. 5 or more, we add one more. What's going to happen to the 8? It's going to go up to 90. Here we have 3 numbers, but we still need to round it to the tens place value. We look to the right. This is the tens place value. 5 or more, add one more. 4 or less, stays the same. So this is 4. So any number before the number that we're supposed to be rounding will stay the same, stays the same, and everything else drops. Okay, the next one is round to the nearest hundred. I'm only going to do a few problems with this. I will only do 7 to 8 to 9. Okay, we are rounding now to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds, underline your hundreds place value. If you have a highlighter with you, you can highlight the number to help you. Now, we look to the number on the right, okay? 5 or more, add one more. So what's going to happen to the 5 is going to change into a 6 and everything else drops. We drop it. Again, 5, look to the right, 5 or more, add one more, 4 or less, stays the same. This is 4. So this is going to be stay the same. This is going to stay the same. We drop the rest. Look to the number to the right, 5 or more, add one more, 4 or less, stays the same. So this is 5. So this changes. Okay, and everything else drops. Now, in some instances, you will have a numbered. For example, if this is an example, and this is one of your, it's going to be one of your problems in independent practice. It's going to be example 32. They ask you to round this number to the nearest hundreds. What happens when the number that you need to round is, is 9? No, this is not the example that I want. Let's see, let me write another one. 9, 5, 6. What happened in some instances when you have a number that you need to round in the hundreds place value and the number needs to go up? What you're going to do, 5 or more, excuse me, 5 or more, add one more, 4 or less, stays the same. Excuse me. So this is 5. This adds one more, and it's no longer 9. It becomes 1,000 in that case. Okay? Keep that in mind. We're going to go over this tomorrow, this kind of problems. Okay? I hope you understand what we were doing. And please make sure that you set up the notebook like this. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.